Hello, so today I'm going to be giving another quick update on my progress with the Python graph problem solver. This is going to be the Python CGI version, which is the same. It uses the Python CGI library, and it does basically the same thing that it did last week because I haven't really been working on this. So if I hit submit here, it's going to use a graph that I have already preloaded, or that it's just going to access already. It's going to parse through that data in the CSV file, and then it's going to generate this network graph. As you can tell here, you can't even tell what each node is, and yeah, I really didn't like working with Python CGI, so instead I decided this past week to work with Dash, which is a Python data visualization library. So right here I can just select a file. So this Dash one has user upload capabilities. My Python CGI version does not, because I haven't been working on it. So for right here, I'm going to load this graph, and look, it's going to generate a nice, pretty graph. So right here it tells us that this is an undirected graph. And then, as you can tell, there's different colors in between. The nodes are different colors, and the colors are kind of just to kind of help represent like the number of connections that the node has. So you can tell node 1 has 2 connections, node 2 has 2 connections, node 6 has 3 connections, and node 7 has 1. So yeah, if the data that I uploaded, if this is supposed to be a directed graph, you can just hit directed graph here, and as you can tell, the nodes are gonna they're gonna change, and the graph is gonna change. So node 7 now has 0 connections, whereas before it had 1 connection, which is sad for poor node 7. But yeah, so this is a directed graph. The Dash, they don't include any way to draw arrows for in between these edges, which is very unfortunate. So I'm gonna have to work on manually plotting triangles with, by getting like the coordinates of these nodes and drawing a triangle and doing all that stuff, which is gonna be a real pain. But unfortunately, I have no other choice. So the big issue with this Dash is that even though it like looks nice and everything, this project is supposed to be for one of my classes at UCI, EECS 118. The server, the instructor server that this website is supposed to be running off of is going to be a Tomcat server. This Dash it's not running off of that, so I don't know if there's going to be issues when my instructor tries to run this. If I can't figure out a way to run this website directly off of this server, then I'm going to have to resort to using the CGI, which hopefully I don't have to, because I really don't like it, and Dash makes things look a lot prettier, and it's interactive, so that's like a lot better, a lot cooler. So hopefully I can figure out a way to get this working. So then that is all I have to show.